Arrive in style with this 2009 Lexus RX. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power windows, rear spoiler, power outlet, passenger vanity mirror, privacy glass, pass-through rear seat, and remote trunk release. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.